Examine the struggle to save the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon.
Trees are vital to life on Earth. They absorb around a third of all carbon dioxide.
Last year Brazil faced the worst forest fires in a decade, but 2021 could be worse.
Hi, my name is Noor Az-Zahra, BINTI Noor Aris.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noor ATIQAH binti HASBULLAH.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Osman JAMAL.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is NURFARAH EIRDINA binti Muhammad RAMZI.
Hi, my name is Noor NAZIRA binti ROMLI.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noor NAJWA binti MOHAMAD.
Our chosen topic is the deforestation of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is known as one of the largest rainforests on the earth, which is located in the South America. It covers about 2,300,000 square miles. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, where the name of the rainforest itself comes from. Even there is no season in Amazon rainforest, it does not affect the soil and the plants, where they get about 12 hours of sunlight throughout the year. The rainforest is known by its richest in the world in terms of biodiversity. However, half of the tropical forests have already been cleared because of deforestation due to lack of awareness and lack of environmental planning. Approximately 70% of the forest already been lost.
The first significance of Amazon rainforest is oxygen supplier. The Amazon rainforest is a major source of oxygen to life, on which taking in enormous amounts of the carbon dioxide get by human activity and the burning of fossil fuel while providing human with the oxygen they breathe. It absorbs 5 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year and converts it into 20% of Earth's oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. Next, provide home for plant and wildlife, home to a large number of the world's plant and animal species. It is the world's last refuge for threatened species, including many endangered species, which includes jaguars, scarlet macaws, saber-toothed sloths, river dolphins, manatees, giant otters, capybaras, harpy eagles, anacondas, and piranhas. More species of primates can be found here than anywhere else. The third significance of Amazon rainforest is provide fresh water. 20% of the world's fresh water is found in Amazon River, flowing through the Amazon to the sea. It provides countless services for humans, such as water for agriculture, food, and transportation. Besides, the Amazon River also provides an important habitat for countless species, including over 2,500 species of fish and river dolphins.
I will explain fact about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest, and the Amazon River is the world's biggest river by volume. The Amazon rainforest is responsible for producing than 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon is estimated to have 16,000 tree species and 390 billion individual trees. Insects are believed to number 2.5 million in the Amazon. In the Amazon rainforest, more than half of the species are considered to reside in the canopy. By the year 2018, it was estimated that 17% of the Amazon forest has been lost. In the late 1990s and early 2000, deforestation rate in the Amazon peaked, with some seeing 10,000 square kilometers destroyed within 12-month period.
The first factors of deforestation at Amazon rainforest is because of the cattle ranching, where it have contributed to wide-scale deforestation in the Amazon. As what we can see, almost 80% of cleared land becomes cattle pasture. According to Brazilian government's data, more than 60% of deforested land is converted to cattle pasture. As the global demand for meat continues to rise, enormous expanses of rainforests in Costa Rica, Honduras, and El Salvador were burned and converted into cow pasture lands in 1970s and early 1980s. Next, timber logging also one of the factors of Amazon deforestation. According to Stanford University Tate Planning, the Amazon is the world's leading source of lumber. Although logging has the potential to be done responsibly, most logging in rainforest is incredibly destructive due to the demand of timber. Apart from that, agriculture expansion is a major driver of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. Farmers in Brazil and other Latin American countries have sought to extend their industries by encroaching on the rainforest. In this case, soy production has doubled, largely in response to the thriving animal agriculture industry. Palm oil production also one of the causes leading to deforestation. Palm oil is found in a wide range of items, from chocolate to shampoo to biodiesel, and the scale of production is immense, with forests being taken down every day to make way for large-scale palm oil production in countries such as Indonesia and Malaysia.
Amazon deforestation in international relation. Deforestation and international relation are related to each other if it's being discussed at the global level. Since the Amazon rainforest covers few of countries in South America such as Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela, the Amazon Cooperation Treaty that are being established to show the cooperation is created on 3 July 1978 to promote the harmonious development of the Amazonian territories through joint actions of the Amazonian countries, produce equitable and mutually beneficial results in achieving the sustainable development. The members of ATIFF, believing that progressive improvement of Amazonian life hinges on the management of the Amazon basin. The ATIFF strategic objectives include to promote coordination of plans and programs of member countries for the development of Amazonian populations, paying particular attention to vulnerable populations, indigenous people, and other tribal communities. Next, to promote management of Amazonian resources in the context of respect and harmony with nature and environment. And lastly, to facilitate and foster actions to preserve, protect, conserve, and sustainably use the forest, biodiversity, and water resources of the Amazon.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I will proceed with the impact of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. The first impact is modified global climate. Removing trees allow more sunshine to enter the forest floor, which causes it to dry up and heat up. Trees also made up of a carbon, which is a greenhouse gas. When trees are burned, the carbon stored in the root, branches and leaf is released into the atmosphere, so it contributing to the thermal layer that retain and absorb heat on the planet. The second impact is erosion and degradation of the soil. Chemical and waste material that are not controlled are released into the environment. Small-scale gold mining at SGM is an example of an unregulated human activity that polluted the environment by releasing 30 to 100 tons of mercury into the Amazon every year. Erosion and soil deterioration increase riverbed, increasing flood intensity and creating shoal and sandbar that make river navigation much more difficult. Next impact is habitat degradation. The Amazon rainforest is a huge area of largely unexplored jungle that is Earth's most biodiverse zone. New roadways that allowing loggers access to the Amazon are creating significant rainforest fragmentation. This fragmented landscape make Amazon rainforest more sensitive to drought and fires, all of which have negative consequences for a wide range of animal species.
Next, strategy to save Amazon rainforest. First, protected areas. Creating and defending protected areas is a crucial part for deforestation prevention plan. In Brazil, protected areas comprise both indigenous land, which are administered by the National Foundation of the Indian (FUNAI), and conservation unit, which are administered by the Ministry of the Environment (MMA). Protected areas play an important role in reducing deforestation. The Amazon Protected Areas Program (ARPA), with the goal of safeguarding 600,000 km² of Amazon forest. The second strategy is international incentive. The link between deforestation and several climate change help the Amazon by enlisting the cooperation of the rest of the world in the rainforest preservation. The UN Reducing Emission from Deforestation and Forest Degradation Program was formed with the purpose of reducing emission from deforestation. This scheme allows industrialized countries with large carbon emission to pay for carbon storage in developing countries by maintaining forests. Norway has established itself as a global leader in forest conservation, contributing $1 billion to Amazon Forest Preservation Project. Brazil was compensated only when meaningful reduction in deforestation were recorded. A program like this sends a strong message to developing countries that the international community appreciate forests and willing to assist pay for their protection.
In conclusion, although there is a significant decrease in the pace of deforestation of the rainforest in the last decades, the deforestation and the forest degradation still continue at an alarming rate. The deforestation of the Amazon rainforest no longer a problem where a single country can solve it, but it requires cooperation from various countries so as to tackle this issue. That's all from us. Thank you.